Welcome to another Connection Point video. What do you see when you look at the world? Obviously, we see all kinds of things, but for just a minute, I would like to suggest that when we look at the world, we see two things. We see beauty and we see brokenness. Beauty is everywhere. We see it in nature, in our relationships, in people, in music, in art, and other created things. But there is no doubt we see brokenness just about everywhere as well. We see it in nature, in relationships, in people, in hospitals, on the streets, and in the news. What do you see when you look in the mirror? Beauty? Brokenness? Maybe both? So where does all this beauty and brokenness come from? Genesis chapters 1 and 2 answer the beauty question for us. God creates beautiful things, beautiful people, beautiful relationships, and of course, beauty in nature. Genesis 3, which was read in worship here at Emmanuel on Sunday, answers the brokenness question for us. The brokenness in the world and the brokenness in us is the result of sin. So for now, we live in a world filled with both beauty and brokenness. But God has promised that beauty will have the final word. You see, in the midst of all the bad news of Genesis chapter 3, God makes a beautiful promise in verse 15. That promise is to send Jesus. Jesus restores the broken, and Jesus makes broken things beautiful. Have a great week in the Lord.